can't get any sleep. It's driving me crazy.
This is totally your fault.
Oh man, I'm not feeling well. Do we have any cold medicine?
Here, take these.
Hold up! Don't tell me this is a sleeping pill.
Sleeping pills instead of cold medicine? Really?
Hey, I've got this really cool idea. Great, it worked.
Now we can finally get some sleep.
Oh my god, he looks terrible.
Look, he's flying.
What is that? It's getting too close. I don't know. Let me take care of it.
Hi, subscriptions are sunshine and likes are water. Support this channel's growth